Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you use Afterpay with Square. So firstly, go to Square website and then open up log into your account. So log into your Square account, and once you've logged in and you're on your dashboard here, all right. So once you've logged in your dashboard, so on your dashboard here, click on your top left, on your top left here under home. So click on and scroll down to settings here. So click on settings. Under settings, click on account settings. So get to account settings. So once you're on your account settings here, what are you going to do? You're going to scroll down on your top left, on your left panel here under business information. Click on business information, and then from business information, scroll down and you will see payment methods. Click on payment methods. So when you click on payment methods here, you'll have this auto afterpay option. So under afterpay option, what happens here, there on your top right here, there'll be three dots. So click on it and then click on edit settings. So under edit settings, what you have to do is you have to turn on the availability of for online and then in pay person. So once you turn both these switches on and then hit on save, and then that should activate your afterpay. So just waiting for it to save, and then once this is done, and that's it, all good, everything will be done. So now your status is active, and that's it, it's all done now. So hope this information video is helpful to you all. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.